Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Kermia. Join me today for super fun unbagging of some lucky bags from a popular stationery shop called Loft. This is from Tokyo. Last time I'd shown you the wonderful snacks we were able to purchase. Today I'm going to be showing you several lucky bags I was able to get. If you've seen my shorts, I did a preview of what they had on hand. And since this is a paper crafting channel and you guys know I love stickers and stationery, let's have a look and see what I did get. So this is, sorry the bag's all crinkled, it was from the packing, but this is the first one that I picked up, and I wish I could have gotten more, but again, limited luggage space. So here's a quick first look at what this looks like. How adorable is that? Let's take out the item. First item out of that lucky bag is a cute little sticky notepad, and I love the bunny. He's picking some fruit, is too cute. And let's see if it says the price on the back. I don't really see it, but that is adorable. Always can use sticky notes, and I love anything cute. Here is another one with these animals, bear and a little doggy. That is so cute. And what is this? We have some washi tape, and this one has strawberries on it, so I love it. It'll be perfect for spring journaling. You see a girl illustration there, so that's what the washi print looks like. How cute is that? They did have washi grab bags, smaller ones, but I didn't like the print, so I ended up not getting it. And let's open up this beautiful, looks like a notepad. It has Mount Fuji on it, and I love the cherry blossoms on top. Beautiful texture here. Love the bird, all of my favorite elements. And here it looks like it has a sample washi. Love that with the gold foil. Let's slip this out. And let's look how beautiful is this. So that's the back side, and this is the front. And it is an accordion style notebook. I love this. This is a great template when making your junk journals or flip books. I love the flip-flop style. I've done this numerous times, and I just love this. Such a great find. If I had more luggage space, I would have bought more. But let's continue looking at the wonderful items in this lucky bag, or they call it fukubukuru. So they sell it every New Year's for a discounted price. And the nice thing is these items, nice quality items. So here's cute little bear postcard. So that's adorable. And look at this. I love it. So Slinky is one of my favorite characters from Toy Story. So I think one of the attractions that I had when I was picking this bag was Slinky. And then so you have a cute little baggie. On the bag you have the new character from Toy Story, and I forget his name. I think it's Spork. He's a Spork. But it's a cute little tote bag, and I like miniature things, so I can definitely use this and probably put something in it and hang it on the wall. So I love that. And wow, look at this. It reminds me of my mom's paintings. That's so pretty. I may end up giving this to her. I think it's a notebook. Let me take out the plastic. It's a beautiful notebook. This is the artist's name, and on the back it says Museum Art. Definitely going to send this off to my mom. I think she will love this when she makes her sketches for her paintings. How amazing is that? That is just gorgeous. I think she will really love that, so I'm going to send it off. And her birthday's coming in April, so how appropriate would it be to send her one of these pop-up cards? Oh my gosh, it's a birthday cake. It says Cake Shikishi. And then let's pull this out and see if it has the honeycomb look there. And then it has the decorations that you can add on it. I just love this. Check it out, guys. So there's a little twist tie here, and it opens up like so. How fun is that? It says especially for you, and then you just push this down to hold it in place. That's the back side, and I can write a message for her. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And together with that, it comes with the decorations, and I can have my younger sister who lives also in Montreal to help decorate it for my mom for her birthday. So I'm super happy with this first lucky bag. This was the large one that I was able to get. Let me know down below if you like what you see. Would you buy it? I would do this again, but this is really, really cute. But we have 3 more. They're smaller ones. So let me pull those out and show you what's in them. So I have actually 4 more and a special something coming up. But let's look at the first lucky bag here. So it's like little stationery sets, and the sun and the stars just pulled me in, plus the panda washi. So let's take out the plastic and show you what's in this one. Let me put this down. The first packet is a miniature stationery sets. We have a little mini envelope, a little stationery sheet with the moon, and you have this cute little character holding the crescent moon, or it looks like it's holding something there. But that's what the stationery looks like. I just love it. Let's take it out so you can have a better look at this. Oh my gosh, I love minis. I previously, maybe a couple years ago, hosted a giveaway where I can ask for miniature journals. And so I think you guys will like it. This will be perfect for that. But look, it has seals for the envelope there. And then this is what the stationery looks like. I think that'll look good in like a whimsical looking journal, where you can attach it to a gift. And then it came with this adorable panda masking tape. How adorable is that? And the stationery set. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful sunny illustration. Did I see moon earlier? But anyway, we have the blues, and I love blues. Some beautiful rainbow in the background, and then beautiful floral seals. This is what it looks like, and I wonder what that is. Let's pull it out. It looks like little cards. Oh, they're little label stickers, and you can see that's like a little washi tape that you can put on the envelope to put the address on. I think that is adorable. It's so well thought out. So look at that letter set. How fun is that? Beautiful. And then in addition, it also included a cute little apple, little pencil case. And this will be perfect to carry the small items so that they're not all over the place. You can organize it. I love that. And I love that it's so compact. You can just slip it in your bag. And then it also came with this super cute Clear Deco seal stickers. And again, I picked it because we got our foxes. And it just so happened that it has, again, some of my favorite images with the sun, the moon, and I love animals. So I thought this was such a beautiful, curated little lucky bag. So I love that. And again, for the price that I paid, it was 500 yen. And if you convert that, that is such a great deal. Let's open up another smaller lucky bag here. And there's my favorite color. I saw the embroidery. I said, I have to have that. It has a little stationery. And this was 500 yen as well from Loft. Let's open it up. So here it is. Look at this. I love it. I can't wait to use this. It's so nice and plush. Beautiful embroidery detail with our lovely birds and flowers. The back looks like this. And then we have a little, there's the brand. And then inside, look how beautifully lined that is. Isn't that adorable? I just love it. So that's what came part of it. And then it came with a stationery set. And how cute is this cute little cat? And it has matching envelope. Let's see if the envelope has a print. Here it is. Beautiful. Again, Japanese paper. Super smooth. It's just really high quality. And it looks like it's just plain envelope. And it's a sturdy one. It's not thin. It's really thick. So when you send it out, if you send it out in the mail, that is just amazing. And then check this out. It also came with an adorable pocket notebook. And guess what it has? It has my cute little birdies at the bottom there. Lined pages, again, really smooth writing surface there. I just love it. And then again, for that price, I am just amazed. They did also have other floors where they have cosmetics, they have some household decor items, and then they have the stationery, and I think they had travel as well. So I did go to the cosmetic aisle, just got a little, I wanted to try this lipstick. It has more, you can see by the shade here that it has more of that natural peachy look to it. So I thought this would be fun to try. Let's open it up and see what the lipstick looks like. Love the packaging there. Look at that. Ah, that's so cool. So I love it. So I'm excited to try that out. But now let's open up the last two bags that I did get. Oh, here, wait, real quick. They also had these iShop anti-Blu-ray glasses. When you're working on the computer, it's sometimes really good to wear something to protect your eyes. And this was 70% off, so it was really affordable from the price that it has a little container. I also love red, so I thought it was just cool to have a pair of these glasses to wear, you know, and it says 0 grade, but just to protect your eyes. So I have that. So I'm going to put aside all these cuties and let's open up the last two lucky bags. Here it is. Now, if you remember my last giveaway, I had, I think, a playing card giveaway. It's called 2 of a kind, 1 for you, 1 for me. Well, I bought 1 lucky bag for myself and another lucky bag to share with you guys. So I have a little giveaway here. Let's look at what I got for myself and I'll show you what I ended up getting for you guys. So here's the first lucky bag. It comes with an adorable pencil case in that nice rose gold color, and then inside you can store your pens and tools in your craft room, whatever you would like. And then it has cute little folder, so if you're organizing your stickers and journaling cards, so it has multiple pockets. So this is the one I got for myself. This is the design that it comes with. So I really like this. It comes handy, especially if you're on the go with your planning, your journaling, or crafting. I like to put some of my ephemera, my stickers in another piece. And if you're just organizing some things that you have on a daily basis. Now, this one also came with these cute little envelopes. And it looks like this one kind of looks like a Halloween theme. But this envelope has a really cute little notch there that I like. So that's cool, and it kind of seals it in that way. It also came with these amazing envelopes, really sturdy. Again, you can use this for multiple purposes. I know I use them in my journals as little pockets and flips, and then you can itemize it. So these are actually used for their monthly budget. So you'll see that they'll put listings and kind of allocate where this will belong. And then they kind of mark it for what month. So you can use it for that purpose if you would like. And there's so many other ways you can use them. But there's a set of 5 of the gray one and the green one. So I think that is super awesome. So for your set, here is what it looks like. So I'm not going to take out the plastic covering from this one to protect your pencil case. And then it comes with a cute little envelope with that cute little seal, a little kitty cat print. And then it also comes with this beautiful folder, and it has 3 different compartments. That's what the back looks like. How cute is that? And then you have your very own set of 5 green envelopes and 5 gray envelopes. So that's what's in there. But in addition, I wanted to also give you a taste of Japan's ramen. So if you're interested, we have the restaurant style ramen, shoyu tonkatsu ramen style. So that's going to be part of this price pack. So if you would like to join in and get a chance to win this little gift from Japan, I will run this until the next weekend. So I'll probably pick the winner on the 20th of January. And all you have to do is comment down below. Let me know what you enjoyed here and put the word Japan. That's it. So if you are visibly subscribed and you're a subscriber, you will obviously will automatically qualify. That will be also one of the requirements, and it is an US only, unfortunately, US only giveaway, because again, postage has kind of been really expensive lately. And so I hope you guys can join in the fun. I'm excited to see who wins this. Stay tuned for a few more hauls from Japan coming up soon. But in the meantime, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.